You solve this exponential equation under few seconds. Watch. For you to solve, 3 power x plus 1 is equal to 45. First thing you have to do is to check, can I express the two bases to be the same? No. This is base 3 and this is just number 45. So all you have to do to find the value of x is just to take the log of both sides. Okay? So when you take the log, you have it as log of 3 power x plus 1 is equals to log of 45. Okay? If you do this, the logarithm allows you to multiply this power to the log. Okay? From the law of logarithm. Okay? So if I multiply the power x plus 1 to the log x plus 1, I'm having it to be log 3. And that's exactly the same thing as log 45. Okay? So the next thing you do is to open up the bracket. For you to open this bracket, you have to multiply log 3 to each term in the bracket. What do you get? Log 3 times x is x log 3. Log 3 times 1 is log 3. And that's equals to log 45. Okay? So the next thing you have to do here is to subtract log 3 from both sides. So you have it that x log 3 is equal to log 45 minus log 3. Okay? From the right-hand side of the equation, you also have to notice one thing. What's that? You are subtracting two logs, but all of them, both of them are of the same base, the same natural base. So while doing that, you are free to divide the number. So you can have that x log 3 is equal to log, keep the base the same, then divide 45 by 3. And if you divide 45 by 3, you have it that x log 3 is equals to log 15, because 45 divided by 3 is 15. So the next thing you do, since you are looking for x, you divide through by the log 3 and divide through by log 3. If you divide by log 3, you see that x is equals to log of 15 over log 3. Here, you can now see that 15 can be expressed in the product of 5 and 3. So we can now say that x is equals to log of 5 times 3 divided by log 3. Let's complete it here. So you see that x is equals to, whenever you're multiplying numbers in the same base, you are free to split the log. You have it as log of 5 plus log of 3 divided by log of 3. Okay? So if you understand this, you can actually split the solution. And this will now be log 5 over log 3 plus log 3 over log 3. So that log 3 can cancel out. You now see that x is equals to 1. 1 from here plus log 5 over log 3. You can also apply change of base to get a uniform solution, which will give you that x is equals to 1 plus, changing the base, you will use a common log of base 3 of the number 5, and that's the required solution. If you found the video interesting, please do well to like, do well to comment, and share your thoughts about this method. See you in my next episode. Bye.